Welcome to Abbotts Meadow. We are located in Salem County, New Jersey, within the Abbotts Meadow Wildlife Management Area. The Wildlife Management Area consists of 1,600 acres of protected habitat, and our restoration site is located behind us. It is approximately 400 acres of tidal marsh, open water, and mudflat. Abbotts Meadow is a conservation area for threatened and endangered birds and fish. Abbotts is the largest restoration site in New Jersey to date. So 600,000 cubic yards of dredge material was generated at the New Jersey wind farm and hydrologically pumped 5 miles upstream to the Abbotts Meadow restoration site. It was pumped onto the marsh plain, and our construction management crew was able to build up the elevations through pumping the sediment onto the land.
One of the problems with the sinking marsh platforms that we have is that they no longer protect the communities that are behind them. So if we can put the marsh back by putting dredge material there, then it's a win-win scenario for everybody.
The introduction of the material has raised elevations by up to 6 feet in places, which is helping provide decades more safety for the marsh. We looked at sea level rise and wanted to be able to allow for increases up to the estimated sea level elevation at 2050. When the models were run, it's showing the site still as a functioning marsh ecosystem.
Our relationship with WSP and their subcontractors, we all work very closely together. We've been working closely together for many years, and that trust that we've built and that subject matter expertise is something that is just so special.
We've worked really hard with partners and the community to build high trust relationships. And that goes a really long way. Contractors and consultants and government agencies that come together know each other and feel like when there's issues put on the table, they're being put on the table with honesty.
And the teams that we've been able to bring together, doing dredging work is not typical. You can't just go find that type of experience. We can help our other transportation partners know how to do this. And we think we can bring that expertise nationwide. We can improve our marshes. We can bolster our coastal communities against sea level rise. And
it's helping the state to transition to its clean energy future, in which the state of New Jersey is trying to have 100% clean energy by 2050. And so bringing all of those 3 elements together, all within one project, and it's exciting for WSP to have been a part of that project.